ever seen those insane memory overclocking records online? DDR5 running at speeds that sound like they belong in a sci-fi movie? Yeah, it's wild, but here's the truth. Those numbers aren't for us mere mortals. Let's break down what's really going on and what actually matters for your PC. I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we'll be discussing the truth about memory overclocking and what you should focus on. First off, these pros aren't using the same gear you buy at your local store. Nope, they're rocking cherry-picked engineering samples. Think of it like the VIP section of hardware. Processors and memory modules hand-selected for maximum overclocking potential. And the motherboards? Custom-built for extreme performance. Cooling? Forget your fancy water cooler. These folks are pouring liquid nitrogen on their rigs, literally. Sub-zero temps, special gear, and a whole lot of safety precautions. It's like science class meets a winter storm. And here's a fun fact. For record attempts, they usually run just one memory stick. Why? Less electrical noise, better stability, and less stress on the memory controller. Oh, and those latency timings? They're looser than a pair of sweatpants. Translation? Blazing speed, but not something you'd want for gaming or daily use. And stability? These setups last just long enough for a screenshot or benchmark. You're not running Photoshop or gaming on that. So what should you care about? 3 things: speed, compatibility, and reliability. First, speed and latency. A kit like DDR5 6000 CL30, that's the sweet spot. Fast and responsive for real-world performance. Second, compatibility. Check your motherboard's QVL, aka the qualified vendor list. It's like the guest list for your PC party. If your memory isn't on it, you might have trouble. And third, reliability. Go for memory that's factory tested and backed by a lifetime warranty. Bonus points if it supports Intel XMP or AMD Expo profiles for easy overclocking. Just go into your BIOS and boop, toggle that on for an extra boost. Bottom line, those record-breaking speeds are cool for bragging rights, but they're not practical. Focus on balanced, stable, and compatible memory kits. Your PC and your sanity will thank you. How do you use yours? Drop a comment below and I will see you next time on DIY in 5.